In this video, we'll get to know the Woonkly Metasocial Network and what features we can find. This is the homepage. We can see what has been uploaded recently. We can register and connect with our wallet, create NFT collections. We can sell our collections. We can search for NFTs by categories, explore the marketplace, and also stay informed through all the social networks of Woonkly. The first thing to do is to connect our wallet by clicking this button. I am in a testing version and network, so it allows me to connect only through MetaMask. I click to connect, enter my password. To open MetaMask, select the account I want to connect to, click Next, and click Connect. When I connect, I can see my profile. Depending on the network with which I have connected, I will see my balance in Ethereum. If I am in the main Ethereum network or BNB, if I am using the Binance Smart Chain with the little bell icon, I can see my notifications. With the Create button, we can create NFTs and upload them to the social network. We can see the feed, browse, and we also have a search engine where we can search by username or by the wallet address. Here below, we have again the Create button and the Marketplace Browse button. Further down, we can see the NFTs that have been created and uploaded recently. To search our profile, I can put the username. I have searched my own profile. I can also search by the address of some wallet. I will copy my address, paste it in the search engine. Click on the magnifying glass. Here is again my profile. Back to the main page. Let's see the feed. Inside the feed, we will find several things. On the left side, we can see the categories: art, animation, musical, book, ideas. You can explore all of them. I will select, for example, books. I will see NFTs that have been tagged with this category at the time of their creation. Also within the feed, I can create and publish NFTs. I can give it a name, a description, and I can assign it in a category. The NFT can be an image, video, podcast, or PDF file. Below, we can find the NFTs that have been created and uploaded by people I follow in the NFT social network. I'm following Sugar. Sugar uploaded this NFT 2 hours ago. We can see that he's selling it for 1 Ethereum. We can buy it with this button. If we keep scrolling down, we can see more NFT. I can do different things like give a like, I can comment. One person has commented on this NFT. I'm going to comment as well. I send it. And here's my comment. I can like the comments. I could also remove it if I want to. I can reply to other users' comments. This user could reply to me and we could share our opinions about some NFT. This comment has a like that I gave it. If I want to give a like to my own comment, I can do it and the counter is added. I can also delete my comments. I can see that Sugar has uploaded these NFTs a day ago. Other things we can do apart from liking and comment, we can save NFTs with a click on this icon. I can also share this NFT via Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, and email. This is what we can find in the feed. That is the most recent NFTs of the people I am following. In Explore, we can see the marketplace, first of all, the most viral. If we scroll down, we can see the NFTs that have been uploaded recently. We can keep scrolling down and look for more NFTs with this button. I can buy some NFTs that are for sale, for example, this one. We have a lot of information and we can do several things. This NFT has been created by this user. We can share this NFT through the options we have seen. He's selling the NFT for this Ethereum amount. We can see the NFTs in IPFS. The pieces he has created of this NFT are 10 and all 10 are available. In this case, we can do two things: buy it for the set price or make an offer with the price we are willing to pay for the NFT. I am going to buy one piece. In this box, we indicate the number of pieces we want to buy as long as they are available. I can see my balance in Ethereum, the cost of the transaction, and the total to pay, which is the sum of the cost of the transaction plus the price of the NFT. To buy, we click on Pay. I must confirm in MetaMask. I confirm once again. And I have already bought this NFT. We can see that there are now 9 pieces available. Now I will bid for a better price by clicking this button. I will pay 0.008 Ethereums. The number of pieces I want to buy at this price will be 2. Click this button to place the bid. I confirm in MetaMask. I confirm once again in MetaMask. And my offer has been placed. Here I can see it, my bid for 2 pieces. On this side, I can see the history of the NFT. It was created 14 days ago by this user in offers. I can see the one I have made. In the details, we can see that it has been created in 2021. The owner are both the creator of the collection, who now has 9 pieces, and me with 1 piece. I can leave a comment. I can delete it if I wanted to. We can drop down this menu. Let's see my profile. Here I can see my wallet address. I can share my profile through these networks. Below we have several tabs. In publications, we can see all the publications we have made, as well as see our followers. If I scroll down, I can see the NFTs I have created. In the On Sale tab, we will see our NFTs that are for sale. I have these 4. In Created, we can see all the NFTs that we have created, whether they are for sale or not. That's why more NFTs appear here. In Collectibles, we will see all the NFTs I own, both those created and those I have bought. For example, this NFT, in the Like tab, we will see all the NFTs we have liked. I will go back to my collection. I will like this NFT that I bought. Now it appears in this section of the NFTs that I have liked. We also have the NFTs that we have saved. Let's explore to save some NFTs. It could be from the feed as well. I'll give it a like, and I'm going to save it as well. These messages indicate what I just did. I go back to my profile. Let's see the NFTs that I have liked. We can see that this NFT has been added. If we go to Saved, we can see it here as well. In Activity, we can see everything we have done. The last thing I did was to like this NFT. We can see the complete history if we scroll down. We can filter all this activity either by minting, that is creating NFT that are mine. We can also combine these minted filters plus the ones I have liked. We can do the same with the profiles I am following. We can also filter by offers. Here I can see the offer I made for this NFT. If I remove followings, it will only show me my offer made 7 minutes ago. In the following tab, we will see the people we are following. In followers, we will find the people who are following us. 8 people are following me. We can see the profile of these people by clicking on their profile image. I can see his wallet, his description. I can share his profile, see his publications, the NFTs he has for sale. In this case, he doesn't have. I can see the ones he has created, his collection, the NFTs he has liked, the ones he has saved, also his activity. He has been active 2 hours ago. I can see that he's following quite a few people, and 69 people are following him. You can also follow him with a click on this button. I'm already following him, and his followers go from 69 to 70. Back to my profile. To create an NFT, we can do it from this button. Here in the channel, you will have a video dedicated to this topic. Scrolling down the menu, we find settings where we can change the profile image. With this button, we will go to find a new image. With this button, we could change the banner. We can change our username. We can connect our Twitter user too. We can place our website if we want, as well as a description. Here we can see all this data and the number of followers we have. With this button, we update our profile. As an example, I will put Alex Santiago 1 with all the changes made. Click on Update. Alex Santiago 1 is updated. I return to my profile and I will leave it as it was before. Update. Also within this menu, we can see our activity. Everything we have done. On the menu, we are going to have a help center, also a quick access to Telegram. Finally, we find the button to log out within the Woonkly Meta Social Network. This is how we can enjoy Woonkly Meta Social Network, liking, saving our favorite NFTs, following our favorite creators, sharing their NFTs as well as their profiles, leaving messages, replying, liking, buying, bidding, and selling our NFTs. Welcome to the Woonkly Meta Social Network.